Hi, it's Seta here, and in this video I will show you how to use a simple script to change the settings in Receive Global Illumination for our prefabs in your scene with one click to set them to use Lightmaps or light props. So let's get started. When we use various assets from different creators, they often come with different Receive Global Illumination settings. As a result, your scene might end up with many objects configured to receive global illumination in different ways. Here we have an example scene. If we switch to debug mode and set contributors receivers, we can see which of our prefabs are receive lighting data from Lightmaps and which are using light props. To a quick recap, Lightmaps are a technique that stores lighting data on textures applied to objects. They are mainly used for static objects that do not move during the gameplay. However, if we move object or change lighting, we need to rebake those textures again. Lightmaps are ideal for small scene with static lighting and very few dynamic objects. On the other hand, light props are points in space that store lighting information. They allow nearby objects to read the lighting from them, which means that even if objects are dynamic, they can receive the lighting from different light props. So in this scene we could leave those settings as they are, but if, for example, we want to use adaptive prop volume and different lighting scenarios, then all objects in the scene should receive lighting from props. At this point we have three options to choose from. Firstly, we can manually set the Receive Global Illumination settings for each prefab, but this would be very time consuming, especially if we have LOD, so selecting all objects is not an option. Secondly, we can use the search option. By clicking it, a new window will appear, where we can click the plus icon, type hierarchy to search for object in the scene, and then click the plus icon again to search for all mesh renderers. We can select them all by clicking one of them and then pressing Shift A and Enter to select everything. After that, we can enable the Contribute Global Illumination option and choose either Lightmaps or Light Props. We got a bit of a mess in the hierarchy window, so we can collapse everything by holding Alt and clicking the triangles next to the scene name. However, the solution just shown is not ideal, because all objects in the scene will then be included in GI calculation, even if they are LOD5 objects that previously weren't marked for GI contribution. So, for example, if you choose to use Lightmaps, baking the scene could take so long that you might as well go on vacation and hope that baking will be finished when you return. Finally, there is a third solution, which is our script. The script will search the entire scene and select only the objects that were already marked as Contribute Global Illumination. For those objects, it will simply change the Receive Global Illumination settings to whatever we want. So after install package, go to the Tools and select Global Illumination Switcher. This will open a new window where you can choose to scan the scene and find all the prefabs that have their Global Illumination receiver set to either Lightmaps or Light Props. After clicking Find Prefabs in Scene, you will see a list of those objects. Now you can click on any object in the list to locate it in the scene. Additionally, you can select Specify Object from the list to make change only on them or remove certain object from the list. Once you are finalized your selection, choose whether to change their Global Illumination receiver to Lightmaps or Light Props. Finally, click Apply GI to some or all, and the script will handle the rest for you. You can download this tool using the link in the description. The script also includes comments, so for those who want to learn how it works line by line, this should be helpful. And that's all for this video. I hope you learned something new and that the script will be useful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and until next time, See ya!